forecast. How's it looking out there?
Calm tonight. We've got a lot of humidity out there across the area. First warn Doppler radar, relatively calm. We had some storms earlier this evening. A lot of them have died down, but you don't have to look too far to the northwest to see more showers and storms heading their way. And notice how they're pushing right down towards the southeast as a cold front is moving in. So overnight, we're likely going to see some showers, at least some showers, maybe moderate showers, move into the mountains. There's a cold front back here in the Ohio Valley, and there's enough moisture ahead of it that even during the overnight hours, I think we could see a stray shower, maybe even a rumble of thunder. Here they move in. You can see around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Nothing really that heavy, except for maybe Avery, Ashwaubenon counties. That's where they could be a little bit stronger overnight. During the morning hours tomorrow, we'll have a passing shower. The big time stuff is really going to hold off to the afternoon. When we look at those rain chances, notice they're around 20% in the morning hours. And as we go into the afternoon and evening hours, that's when the rain chances start to ramp up. In fact, by 7, 8, 9 o'clock, that's when rain chances will be around 60, 70%. So if you're planning tomorrow, first half of the day looking a little bit better than the second half, and that's when we're going to see the rain move in. The bottom line is we're going to see a few showers overnight with scattered clouds. Strong storms late tomorrow. What I mean by that is evening hours and after, so dinner time, 6, 7, 8 o'clock. But here's the reward: cooler and much lower humidity for the weekend once that front moves through. Today, our forecast was 91. We actually made it up to 90, but we kept our streak alive. Longest one we've had going back to the beginning of last year, 37 days straight now with that high temperature within 3 degrees of our forecast. Tomorrow's going to be a little tough one because if the clouds hold tough for most of the day, we may not get into the upper 80s. This time of year is always tough. The clouds are the biggest determining factor on how hot it gets in the afternoon. You get clouds for a while, it keeps it down. You get full sunshine, boom, blowtorch up to around 90. But late tomorrow, we'll see that front move through with the showers and storms. It moves out early Saturday. Can't rule out a stray sprinkle, especially east on Saturday. But for the most part, the weekend's going to be about this cooler, drier air moving in as kind of a nor'easter develops along the coast. This will be an interesting system to watch, kind of a subtropical storm to keep an eye on for coastal residents. So tonight, severe weather threat 0, but tomorrow, notice most of our areas in this low risk, and then a small area, especially as you go up towards Statesville, Salisbury, out towards Albemarle and Rockingham east, a medium threat for severe storms. What type of impacts are we talking there? Well, once that front moves through, that severe weather threat will move out, but the impacts we're worried about, primarily damaging straight line winds. That's winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, and flash flooding would be on that list as well because there's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere that could get squeezed out from these storms. Notice how scattered they are until about 4, 5, 6 o'clock. That's when I think we'll see the biggest storms move through. And again, this is just one indication of the model. There might be more around here or less depending on how things set up tomorrow. But then Saturday and Sunday, that drier air works in, and really it is going to be a beautiful weekend. We had that heat last weekend with heat indices above 100. Not this weekend. Looking good. Tomorrow, good chance of showers and storms, especially in the mountains. Watch out for some flash flooding. Upper 80s, close to 90. Depends on how much sun we get early on. I think a lot of us could stay around 87, 88 with enough cloud cover tomorrow. But the weekend looks gorgeous. We're looking at mid 80s, low humidity, and the morning lows by Monday morning in particular. In Charlotte could be in the low 60s, but some outlying areas, especially north and west towards Hickory, up towards Alexander County, could be in the upper 50s.
Wow. That's
feeling great.
Very un-July.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay, this next